Welcome back to the channel, where we help you navigate the world of smart home technology. If daily vacuuming and mopping are eating into your precious time, stay tuned. Today, we're spotlighting an innovative solution, the iRobot Roomba Combo 415X, a high-performance robot vacuum and mop designed to keep your floors pristine with minimal effort. Let's see if it's the right fit for your home. The Roomba Combo 415X is engineered to deliver consistently clean floors every single day. This advanced robot vacuums and mops simultaneously, effectively intercepting crumbs, dust, pet hair, and spills before they become tough, stuck-on messes. With its intense 20,000 pascals of suction and innovative DualClean Mop Pads, your floors will maintain a visibly clean appearance. What sets it apart are its 4 customizable cleaning modes. You can easily select vacuum only, mop only, or a combined approach for daily maintenance, or even opt for a vacuum first then mop for a deeper clean. All done seamlessly, without you needing to switch machines. Forget scrubbing dried-on spills. SmartScrub technology intelligently applies extra pressure precisely where messes are most stubborn, breaking down dried food, muddy paw prints, and sticky kitchen splatter. Its remarkably slim design fits under more furniture, while extending edge brushes diligently pull debris from corners and along baseboards. For households with pets, its tangle-free rubber brushes efficiently capture fur without clogging, ensuring consistent cleaning. And hygiene is a top priority with the revolutionary Auto Wash dock. This dock doesn't just empty debris for up to 90 days, it also automatically washes and heat dries the mop pads at a sanitizing 113 degrees Fahrenheit after every run. This prevents odors and ensures your floors aren't cleaned with yesterday's dirt, significantly reducing your maintenance. Navigating your home is a breeze thanks to advanced LiDAR mapping and obstacle recognition. It moves smoothly around common items like cords, shoes, and toys, eliminating the need to pre-clean your space. A key innovation is its ability to detect carpets and automatically lift its mop pads by 10 mm before crossing rugs, ensuring your carpets remain perfectly dry while it cleans hard floors. You have full control through the intuitive app or via voice commands, allowing you to schedule cleans, choose modes, target high-traffic areas, or send the robot directly to problem spots, ensuring your home stays immaculate on your schedule. With a strong customer rating of 4.3 stars from over 11,000 reviews, the iRobot Roomba Combo 415X is highly regarded for its reliable, quality design and impressive set of features. While it offers advanced technology, we always advise checking the product page for the most current pricing and reviewing customer testimonials on Amazon for real-world user feedback. This advanced machine is particularly well-suited for buyers who prioritize cutting-edge technical details and desire a comprehensive, hands-off approach to floor care. So, if you're ready to embrace effortless home cleaning and reclaim your valuable time, the iRobot Roomba Combo 415X offers a compelling solution. For all the specifics, current pricing, and direct links to those customer reviews, you'll find everything conveniently located in the comments and description below. If you found this detailed review helpful, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more in-depth analyses of the latest smart home innovations. Thanks for tuning in.